Robert's cutting some stuff that we salvaged from down the way. There's a bunch of fallen trees down there, and we're just seeing what we can get. Most of the things that we've cut in these piles, all of this pile, is all fell from Black Forest lodge over there.
We're getting ready to load this log onto the sawmill for cutting for slabbing, hoping to get some 2.5-inch slabs out of this guy. So using the tractor and these chains to rig it up and load it on the mill.
Well, I started with Black Forest in February of 2025, so I've been here for almost 9 months now. It's been really enjoyable just using all of the live wood. A lot of people really kind of skimp on that, and they want to make things that look like wood or whatever, and this is real wood, so it's got a temperament and it's got a vibe more than anything else, really. Like, it's not just been processed. We're doing the process, so it's been nice. Oh, there's a frame.
It smells like rain.
Jeez. Oh, good pepper.
I worked in a sawmill like from 12 to 16, so I know awkwardly more about wood and sawmills than you would think.
Yeah. I didn't know that until we got the sawmill up here, and then he's all like, "Oh yeah, I worked on one just like this," and I was like, "Oh,
you got the PV. Where's the PV at? You know, that's the PV right there. That's how you turn the logs.
Yeah.
Can't go nowhere without a PV is what my grandpa used to say."
Some of the stuff was like,
It's too funky.
yeah, nothing we could really
Try to install it anywhere and utilize it and put it up into use. It's just going to fall apart. It won't take stain.
But
it won't take.
You got a lot of mulch as a result.
Yeah, this is another salvage log. You can see behind the bark, it's showing signs it was sitting on the ground for a while. There's still some good wood in it. It's just not prime. It's a salvage log. It's the definition of salvage log. Anybody can cut wood, but if you don't know what you're cutting, you know, kind of defeats the purpose. So as far as grading the material and understanding what its uses could be, yeah, that would be up my alley.
I'm tempted to keep it how it is.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
There you go.
It looks like it would be a good bench, or...
Take a second to measure it out on the ends, or we can flip
I
it
mean,
over.
yeah, I just think like we could probably get 2 benches out of this guy. It's real light, but... Yeah, that's 8 feet. So I pretty much just do a bunch of planing and sanding and make sure that it's nice and flat on the top, and sand down the live edge, and then I stain it, seal it, and poly it all up, ideally for water and anything that hotel guests will throw at it, because we're making a hotel at the end of the day, so you got to make real tough things.
Pick up just a little bit. Slow. That's one version of how you can load a log on a sawmill. Thank you, Chris. You're my hero right now.
Let's definitely try to get some slabs if we can. I know it's
out of the center?
Out of the center.
Sure, that's easy enough.
Next thing we're doing is, I know we're getting into the bar, which is going to be big. We're doing the bar and the lobby and that whole entire building. We're about to delve into that whole thing, and then all of the cabins as well are going to be pretty fun, because each one's different. They've all got hot tubs and stuff. Each cabin, they want them to be grand, so we're trying to make things grand.
I think it's a big move up here for any business to contract milling work for timber that is on their property. It's the definition of homesteading. You're stepping outside of the box, and hopefully others see you doing it, and they're not as leery or hesitant to do similar. Anytime you can utilize your natural resources, it's just a win-win.